So this is a 93 ZX7 gas tank we're going to be doing. In the United States, it's a Ninja. In Europe, it's a ZXR. Tank's real nice. We're just dialing in some of this body work and getting it ready for primer. Got the final prime on the ZX7 gas tank. The way it was sent to me, I could still see all the lines. It took a little longer to do it this way, and I actually have a tank that I could measure off of to put them all back in the right place. But now, the way I did this, it's gonna be exactly in the place that the factory put it in. So I sprayed the white, unmasked it, and I put pearl over the whole thing. That pearl just helped the transition line not be as prominent. Now we're gonna clear it. All the colors laid down, we're going to clear it, then we can put the decal right there, then we'll clear it again. That green always looks so good up against that white with that blue. So this tank here is bad. I mean, I guess maybe it could be fixed, but it's a good idea to keep stuff like this because it tells you everything. It tells you where the lines are. It tells you how much clear's on. Like this is smooth. That's, well, you can feel that a little bit. But here you can really feel that. So when you go to do another tank, it'll tell you where to put everything at. It'll tell you how much clear to put on, whether it should be sanded smooth or you should feel the lines. It's just a good idea to save stuff like that, even if it's not really usable on a bike. The ZX7R tank is all done. I can't wait to see what this looks like on the bike.